and come out.
Okay, I told you I can't jump over these folks.
Who said you gotta jump over the baby? I know you, Mom. You gonna go in
You know
here.
these evil folks is evil.
Why they got to be evil?
They are.
Then you
Jump
need
in
to
line
show
again,
the
they be right to the
you
fight.
need to show the love of God.
You're not supposed to jump the line.
I said they jump in line. And if you do the wrong thing, they want to beat you up.
Well, that's not gonna happen. You gotta show
I
the
know
love of
that
God.
because they going to get out of my way.
What?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Why do you have that on?
Excuse me, sir. He
See
don't
what I'm
know.
saying?
He didn't know he was in the street.
He didn't know he was in the way.
In the
Yes,
way.
he
Still
did.
in the street.
If you don't move this
No,
car
man.
over, sir,
See, y'all
okay,
gotta
what you
be-
gonna get close to? Y'all pray seriously. Ooh,
Yeah, you do.
here goes a spot right here.
Mhm.
Man, we gonna see how this happens.
See what?
Betty.
What? I was excuse me, sir, but I'm trying to get through.
He is strolling. He on the Sunday
All
stroll.
I said is, hello.
Betty,
Like,
I'm
what?
telling you right now. It's your birthday and everything.
Uh-huh.
But I'm telling you, don't make me come looking for you.
Mm-hmm.
No, you know what? I'm gonna go in here with you.
No, you don't have
No,
to.
I'm going in here with you.
Don't do that.
I'm going in.
Mm-mm.
Yes, because
No, I got to find out where the stuff at.
I'm gonna help you find
I
it.
don't want you to.
Why?
I can drive.
You can drive, not this vehicle.
He shouldn't have want nobody.
We going
I said
in. Come on,
drive
everybody.
there.
We're
No,
going
y'all
in.
need to come
We
there.
are coming. You can't
No.
stop us.
Yeah, get the thing.
No, we coming.
No,
Yes,
okay,
we
come
are.
on now.
No, we coming with you, cause we already know. That's why you laughing, cause I already know. What you took calling Shay for? What are you calling Shay for? What's going on?
Oh boy.
We coming. We going up in this Walmart with her because
No, you don't have to
we
roll
never
me.
gonna get out
I
of
gotta
here.
get on that machine.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna put you on the
No, I
machine.
don't want you to roll me.
What?
I can drive.